Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can allow people to download your Instagram Reels. Alright guys, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and the first thing we're going to do is clicking on our profile button. Then after that, we can click on this button on the top right corner of our screen. Then there will be some options for us, and we just need to tap on settings and privacy. Then you have to scroll down until you find sharing and remixes, and it's over here guys, so just click on it. Then since we want to allow people to download our reels, we can scroll down, then we can click on this toggle button. You have to click on the toggle button of allow people to download your reels. Just simply click on it, and now people can download the Instagram Reels that you have posted on your account. Alright guys, and that's how we can allow people to download our Instagram Reels. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video guys.